Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well this week. This is yet another report from the Scholars Sports Desk where we keep you up to date on the latest Scholars, athletics, and sports. My name is John and here's what will be on the lineup from December 7th to December 13th. Starting with high school athletics, on Sunday, December 7th, our boys basketball team will participate in a tournament at High School for Public Service with arrival expected at 4 p.m. The following day, the boys basketball team will have an away game at Richmond Hill High School gym, while the girls basketball team will also play an away game at Queens High School, both beginning at 4:30 p.m. On Tuesday, December 9th, high school cheer practice will take place in the gym. On Wednesday, December 10th, boys basketball will have an away game at 5 p.m., and the girls basketball team will host a home game alongside a swim meet, both starting at 4:30. On Thursday, December 11th, high school cheer will hold another early practice in the gym starting at 7 a.m., followed by a girls basketball away game at 4:15. Finishing off this week of Scholars Athletics, there will be a boys basketball scrimmage at Wheatley, and a swim meet will take place at 4:30. Moving on to middle school athletics for the week. Middle school cheer will hold grade 8 tryouts on Monday, December 8th, from 2:50 to 3:40 p.m. On Wednesday, December 10th, the middle school boys basketball team will have an away game at Middle School 47 from 10 a.m. to 11. To end the week, middle school boys basketball practice will take place on Thursday, December 11th, from 3 to 4. That will be all for Scholars Athletics this week, but make sure to stay up to date with the latest information regarding all things Scholars Sports by subscribing to our YouTube channel, checking out psao.org, and looking at the calendar under the school landing page, scholarsnyc.com, so you don't miss out on an opportunity to know when things are happening with Scholars Sports throughout the season. That's it for the sports report this week. I'm John, and I'll see you next time.